Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial, and we're going to draw a 3D waterfall. What you need is a fineliner, mine is by Staedtler, and a graphite pencil, that's all. Let's start drawing. First we draw in the top of the triangle. To get straight lines, of course you can use a ruler. Once you have the tip of your triangle, you start drawing in broken lines, and also I draw in the water stream. It's small at the end and broad at the beginning. What I also draw in are mountains. I do it like this, and I also draw in tips of snow on the mountain tops. Then I draw in 3 clouds, a small one nearby the horizon and then bigger as they go up. Then it's time for the waterfall itself. All you need to do is draw some lines, and I also put in some pieces of rock that come through the water. Very easy. Now that you have the waterfall, you can start drawing in the underneath of that rock. It's like that triangle is floating in the air. Way down below, you can see some clouds of the water that is splashing onto the ground. Then it's time to start coloring in. I take my graphite pencil and I color in around the clouds and also around the top of the mountains. Then I color in the mountains, but I leave the tops open where the snow is. Graphite can be easily wiped down a little bit with your finger and then smooth it out. I color in all the way down to the stream. Now that I have that, I color in the underneath of that big rock and also a little bit in the waterfall itself. Then it's time for our 3D effect. To do that, I use a 2B graphite pencil that's a little bit darker than the HB, and I erase if I go in a little bit too far, and I color in that shadow just next to the waterfall, and I also make the shadow a little bit darker at the tip of the low part of the rock. Then I go over it a little bit more, and I also put in a little bit of graphite in the clouds that are at the bottom of the waterfall. So that's all. I hope you will give this a try and that you will give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.